안녕하세요.
Okay, so you have a power bank issue.
Yes.
So, this one cannot charge energy, no?
Yes.
Because it has a issue overheating.
Yes,
Overheat.
overheating.
Okay. Even if we use the car battery, cannot be also. So we change that new power bank. Okay, for the study room. And also Teacher Lorraine, you will order some 5-volt ceiling fan.
Yes.
Okay, two
2 5%.
okay, two ceiling fans for your study room to use. Okay, since 5 volts man na, Chair, diri siya ma-choke. So naman to siya 5 meters nga wire, so diri pwede ma-choke. So ang ma-consume sa 240 nga volts ang suga na lang. So, para dili na siya overusage ang power bank ug dali ma-damage. Okay, from Maria channel.
막단 코리아 채널 안녕하세요. 감사합니다.
Okay, bye bye.
Bye.